Ski! Welcome back to the channel, Sonny Squad. And if you're new, welcome to the channel. How y'all doing? I'm Sonny and this is Sonny Kicks. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all some of the best ways to lace up your Nike Zoom Vomero 5. So first up, I'll start with the loose tie, which is what you see here. And I'm gonna start from scratch, so let's get into it. So this pull tab right here, you're gonna put the laces through that first. And from there, you're gonna go over, under. And you want to make sure that the laces stay straight. Now of course, do the same thing to the other side. For the rest of the shoe, you're going to do under, over. Now once you get to this part right here, mind you, you're gonna leave these two lace holes open. Do not put the laces through those at all. So once you have the shoe like this, you're gonna loosen up the rest of the laces throughout the shoe just a little bit. Once you do that, make sure the laces are even and then just tie the shoe normally. Now once it's tied, you're gonna loosen that up a little bit and let it kind of drag and meet up with the rest of the laces. So the next step after this is just to finesse it to your liking. Put your foot in the shoe so you can mess around with it, and that'll be it. Lacing style number 1, the loose tie. So from here, we're gonna go to lacing style number 2, which is my personal favorite for just about every shoe, the loosey-goosey. So I'm gonna go ahead and untie this. Very simple from where we left off. You're gonna take this lace, bring it to this top eyelet right here, and just let it hang. Same thing to the other side. Make sure they're even on both sides. I'ma just guess that they are from what I'm looking at on the camera. And from here, just go ahead and loose lace the entire shoe. Make it look even. Once again, for this part, you can just put your foot inside the shoe, finesse it to your liking, and that's it. Very simple and easy, the loosey-goosey. So switching things up, the loosey-goosey and the loose tie is more so for casual wear. But if you want to actually run in the shoe, keep the shoes laced up here. But because you're going to wear these to actively run in, you're going to tighten the rest of the laces up. Of course, put your foot in before you tie them up so tight, but for video's sake, I'm going to show y'all just tie them up tight, and that way you can enjoy the full experience and performance that the Vomero 5 offers. So next up, following the regular tie, you're gonna undo one of the laces. And you're gonna make it loose again, but not as much as the loosey-goosey, more so like how it was for the loose tie. So the lacing style I'll be doing now is the knot. So once the laces look like this, you're gonna make sure that they're even. Replay this as many times as you need to in order to fully understand it and get it. So once again, make sure that your laces are even, bring them together, take one finger, bring it to the middle of the laces, and wrap the laces around your finger one time. Now what you're gonna do is bring it to the front. Now that it's in the front, as you can see here, you're gonna remove your finger. You're gonna keep the hole intact, and you're gonna make sure you're still holding the laces, and then bring the laces together through the middle, and then tighten it up. Of course, you can mess around with the knot to adjust it to your liking. So once you have the knot, you're gonna go ahead and loosen up the rest of the shoe and the knot so that way everything balances out. And if you couldn't tell, this is for sure another casual way to wear the shoe. Very nice and clean if you don't want to tie them or do the loosey-goosey. This is for sure another great option. And yeah, that's all there is to it, the knot. If you enjoy content like this and want to see more, this is definitely the place for you. I do other sneaker videos, clothing videos, lacing videos, and yeah, anything else relating to sneakers or clothing content, it's all here on the channel. And real quick, I would highly appreciate it if y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, or if you haven't yet. The grind is not stopping. We on that road to 100K. And yeah. I hope all of y'all have an amazing day. Stay safe and see you next time.